In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change template in Wix 2026. To get started, go to your Wix site dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website, so if you're already logged in, you should be able to find your site listed there and open it up. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct website, especially if you manage more than one project. From the dashboard, look for the option that says Design Site and click on it. This will take you into the part of Wix where you can adjust the overall look and feel of your website. If you're updating your site style, this is the section you'll want to use. It's a simple path, but it's important because this is where Wix gives you access to template-related design options. After that, scroll toward the bottom and you'll see the Templates section. This is where you can browse different layout styles and visual designs for your website. If you want to explore more choices, click See All. That will open a wider selection of templates so you can compare different looks and find one that better matches your brand, your content, or the type of site you're building. As you browse, take your time and look at how each template is structured. Pay attention to things like the homepage layout, menu style, spacing, and overall visual tone. Even if several templates seem similar at first, small design differences can make a big impact on how your site feels to visitors. Once you find a template you like, hover over it and click Edit. That's the action that lets you move forward with the template you've chosen. From there, you can begin working with that design and customizing it to fit your website content. And that's it. That's how you change your template in Wix 2026. The process is very quick. Go to your site dashboard, click Design Site, scroll down to Templates, click See All. If you want more options, then hover over the template you want and click Edit. If you're making a design change, it's a good idea to choose a template that supports the kind of pages and layout you want long-term, so you don't have to keep switching styles later. With just a few clicks, you can give your Wix site a completely different look and continue customizing it from there.